In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove the Enter Your Email Address pop-up in Power BI Desktop. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Power BI Desktop and click on the File tab in the top left corner. Next, go to Options and Settings, then select Options. In the Options window, look at the left side and navigate to the Global section. Next, select Preview Features. Look through the available preview features and locate the Prep Data for AI feature. If this feature is enabled, uncheck the box next to it. After disabling the feature, click OK to apply the changes. You will need to restart Power BI Desktop for the changes to take effect. Save your work, close Power BI Desktop, and then open it again. Once Power BI Desktop has restarted, try adding or modifying a visualization. The Enter Your Email Address pop-up should no longer appear.
If you have a work or school account, signing in may also resolve the pop-up. However, disabling the related preview feature can be a useful workaround when you don't want to sign in. And that's how to remove the Enter Your Email Address pop-up in Power BI Desktop. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.